Namaste. On behalf of our channel, I would welcome you all to this video talking about Reiki Level 1. This is second video of our ongoing Reiki series. I would ask you to enter this Reiki Level 1 discussion with an open mind. I'm going to give you general details about Reiki Level 1 here. Our next video will be talking about Reiki Level 2 and after that Reiki Level 3. So let's start talking about it. Mind. While some components in each level of Reiki are standardized, however, different Reiki masters teach them bit differently. My Reiki master taught me Reiki Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Master Level, and there is one more level known as Grand Master Level. Each level is unique, and what makes it unique? Its attunement. Each level of Reiki calls for its own attunement, which is unique in its own form. Attunement basically means passing on the energy to the student. It's a ritual or ceremony conducted by a Reiki master, and it's often kept secret. This attunement process has a name in Japanese, Reiju. Actually, while performing Reiju, Reiki master opens and expands main energy channels. And at Reiki Level 1, we call this level beginner's level and Shoden in Japanese. Reiki Level 1 is an initiation of practitioner into Reiki, and it's open to everyone. If you want to go for Reiki Level 2, your master has to call you for Reiki Level 2. Goal of Reiki Level 1 is self-healing. So, Level 1 students practice Reiki on themselves and thereby working through their own obstacles. At this level also, they have access to lifelong, unlimited access to Reiki energy, and they can use this energy to heal themselves and others as well by touch healing therapy. Reiki Level 1 calls for an attunement of Reiki Level 1, right? So, your Reiki master will use a combination of various mantras and symbols to connect you to this universal life force, Reiki energy. And this process will make you channel of Reiki. You will be able to channelize energy to yourself and to others. To get attuned for Reiki Level 1 basically means you tap into frequency of Reiki energy. Prime focus of Reiki Level 1 is on opening the energy channels on a physical level, allowing practitioner to connect to the universal life force energy, which flows from the cosmos through our crown of the head and down to the heart and hands. There is no rush in Reiki. Due to the intensity of attunement process, at least 21 days to 90 days are recommended before you opt for level 2. So you see, Reiki 1 involves 21 days of non-stop practice of Reiki after your attunement. In Reiki level 1, you will learn beaming, scanning, cleaning, and tapping. 4 techniques to enhance your practice in level 1. After your level 1 attunement, you may experience physical symptoms such as tingling, coolness, or heat. Some feel anxious, awake, exhausted, or maybe sad. Talking about my personal experience of Reiki 1 attunement, I was feeling hot and cold sensation, tingling in my palms, as if there is strong flow of energy in my body and around. There was strange heaviness, as if I was touching some heavy smoke or clouds, something heavy on my palms, as if I was sleeping all this while and suddenly something got me awake, as if I discovered some truth of life or truth of my own existence, that I am not just this body, I am not just this mind. My existence is way beyond all these factors. So yes, experience is different for everyone, but for everyone I can say it's mind-blowing. What all you can do at the stage of Reiki level 1? Quite a lot. Self-healing and healing others. It's a hand-on kind of healing where practitioner balances the energies in and around the receiver or self. Energy flows through the body of practitioner, which is sent out to the receiver by the chakras of the palm for healing purposes. Secondly, you can cleanse your living environment or the environment you are in. It sounds something like Feng Shui, where practitioners are using various techniques to balance Qi, that is energy, right? Reiki energy can be used to balance the energy of your home, office, school, college, your car. So basically anywhere you can heal the energies, you can balance the energies of that place. You can give Reiki to the walls, ceiling, corners, edges, floor, etc. Thirdly, you can remove negative energy from objects like foods and drinks. Foods and drinks are prana that enter our body, and it is supposed to be clean and pure. Yes, you can energetically cleanse your foods and drinks before you consume them, because whatever you eat becomes you. You can cleanse the environment, as I already mentioned. Yeah, one more thing. Cleansing food becomes much more important now when we know our planet is undergoing this pandemic situation and everything is contaminated. So make sure you energize, cleanse and balance energies of your foods and drinks before you consume them. I believe energetic cleansing has found a more important place in today's world. Well, under Reiki 1, you can cleanse and balance energies of your animals. You can give them Reiki. You can heal them. You can give energy healing to your animals, plants, birds, insects, any living being, your garden. So you see, for anything and everything you can give Reiki. Also, even if they are in good health, you can keep giving them Reiki so the negative energy forces do not gather around them. If they are not keeping well, your animals and plants, you can heal them and bring them to good health in no time. You can give Reiki healing to literally everything you use. For example, money in your wallet, your kitchen items, fish in your aquarium, your laptop, your mobile phone, your working desk in your office. You see, we can use Reiki energy in our day-to-day life on each and everything we are surrounded by. Let's talk about something more. After attunement of Reiki level 1, you have to be good observer. Yes, you have to be observant about the changes that will surely come in and around you. You will experience self-love and confidence increasing naturally. You will also experience a sense of responsibility, and you will start taking responsibility in all walks of your life. Like you will take responsibility for your emotions or the way you think, the way you feel, meaning you will be taking full responsibility of your feelings, your thoughts, your body, your relationships, your interaction with your colleagues, your work environment, etc. And you will also experience a sense of purpose, as if you have a purpose to realize. You will get greater clarity and creativity as well. It has been observed, or I can say there are many cases where people were drawn to learn Reiki while they were in a stage of transition in their life. Can you remember who you were before the world told you who you are? Tapping into Reiki makes you more you truly are. It makes you more and more open to your true nature. You feel and behave more like yourself. I have seen this in Reiki students who continue their self-practice. As slowly they peel away the layers of old beliefs, old patterns and old habits they had accumulated along the way, which is such a gift to witness. Your self-healing results in less worries as you become more present. You learn to live in present moment. You will notice a big decrease in anxiety and stress levels. You would enjoy enhanced calm and inner peace. You will become more grounded and balanced. You will be connected to your own physical being, and hence you will manage day-to-day energy. Reiki makes you intuitive, courageous, grateful, feeling secured and well protected, soft-hearted, compassionate, appreciative towards others and self. content, and believer. You start believing in small, unnoticed beauties of life. You become more observant of the energies around you, within you. Bottom line is that all the resources you need for living are already within you. Reiki is just giving you a view, an insight. Reiki is like clearing dust of the glass window so that you can see crystal clear face of life, which is beautiful. Now let's discuss how to prepare for receiving Reiki Level 1. Don't consume alcohol before the attunement. Your master will let you know how much time exactly. Avoid high protein foods because it needs more digestive energy and consume energy of your body. Avoid caffeinated drinks, tea and coffee, because it will get your mind overactive. Keep an open mind while learning Reiki. I know you will be having too many questions in your head, but just avoid being too skeptical. Just enjoy the experience for what it is and go with the flow. My dear viewers, I would like to conclude the video here, and our next video will be discussing Reiki Level 2 in good detail. I hope you have understood these details which I have already given you in this video, and if you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to comment in comment section, or you can send me email with your queries. I will be more than happy to help you with them. And people who have not subscribed to our channel Soulcraft, please subscribe to it, because Soulcraft is always bringing educational, informative videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you like this video, please say it loud as usual by hitting the like button. I will be seeing you very soon on the other side. Till then, be happy, be peaceful, be an active learner, and just be. Namaste.